So, this is the weekly performance so far for the month of December. It's been a difficult journey so far in December where the market participants are divided and not letting any sort of decisive momentum during the day. Still, with the help of technicals and mainly focusing on the psychological aspect, so far we are doing pretty well until now. Curious what and how we do in the channel? Spend another 2 minutes, things will be clear by then. So I operate through a Telegram channel where the trades are suggested along with the technical explanation and live psychological support. It's completely a process driven approach and no randomness. Okay. Firstly, I prepare the trade plan and the market setup for tomorrow's trading session. Share it across on the live channel of the month where aspirant traders subscribe and join the channel. Secondly, I keep an eye on the global indices like Dow to get the sentiments of the market and any other events so planned which can create any sort of issues or momentum for the upcoming trading session. On the trading day, we open the day, I let the pre-market get settled. Based on the pre-market tick, I decide on the strike CE or PE to be chosen. Share the CE or PE on the channel to be placed in the watch list by the member. We will execute this CE or PE if indices breaks out or breaks down after opening as per the trade plan that we have already drawn ahead of the trading session. Market opens, I keep monitoring and updating the members on the channel as to what's happening and what we are going to do above or below which level, or if any sort of breakout or breakdown I'm expecting so far. Plus, I validate the option chain data with respect to shorts being added to which side of the option, indicating strength or the weakness at the moment. As soon as we break out or we break down, I trigger or rather suggest to buy the CE or PE at the current market price based on what's happening on the chart, along with the SL to be placed at the spot or at the option price level, depending on the state of the market. Okay. Obviously, the indicative targets and extended targets are also suggested as we further move with the trades. I keep providing the updates or commentary as what's happening after entering into the position with further resistance and their levels and the data formation so we all know what's happening rather being blindly trading and just looking up for the target to be hit even if the momentum doesn't supports. Okay. I don't think any other channel provides such technical updates and information during the live market and suggests trades live in front of all with charticle and data explanation so the members are aware as to what they are executing and why are they executing. So the days are never the same or similar to the previous one. Trading or markets are one of the most unorganized and unstructured domain to work on rely on. Okay. So the trades and positions needs to be managed as per the momentum happening and not the way you would want it to happen. Okay. As we enter into any position and in decent gains like 40 or 60 odd points on Bank Nifty or 15 or 18 odd points in Nifty, we begin to manage our position. We begin to manage our position by booking 50% of the total lots at decent search, like 40, 60 odd points that I said. Keep trailing the 25% of the lots as it keeps moving further and get booked by trailing the SL. Okay, as soon as your trailing SL is hit, your 25% is also booked. Now we are left with the last 25%. These 25% of lots are kept at or a little lower the cost that we bought the option. So we can wait for further targets even if after booking 75% of the lots. Okay, that depends. If the momentum further continues, the last remaining 25% of the lots you can book at the surge or at the highest peak. If not, then it will be taken out at the cost level. But there will not be any loss that you are going to make on the profitable trades. The days where we know the trades are going to be a bit choppy or a range bound, we look to book smaller profits as we get and exit the market with limited loss after hitting SLs, rather hitting further trades and attempting to recover the loss or make money on such avoidable days like the choppy days. By end of the session, I summarize all the trades that we entered at price and booked in profit or loss and share the summary on the channel so others can reconcile. as every individual would have made an exit at different levels, which is fine until you are booking profits, but not acceptable if you are booking loss on profitable trades. Here you need to evaluate as to what went wrong. In channel, there are multiple rules that we follow, such as not to trade beyond the defined loss quota derived from your average daily gains, irrespective of further opportunities. Always keep trailing your SL when in profit, irrespective of further target probabilities. Never average your losing trade, rather exit if the SL is hit. Never trade further once a decent amount of profits or gain is already made for the day. Enjoy the day or utilize the rest of the time in something productive, but never get into trade again. These are things that has been already explained in the channel and timely repeated in detail in the channel and through live interactive sessions that I periodically conduct. Last thing, please listen, wouldn't take more than a minute of yours. So guys, I'm not a tip provider nor a service provider nor any member of my channel is my client. Okay, so please request not to approach with that mentality. I'm a coach, a trainer, a mentor to those who wanted to learn trading. So far, I have trained more than 100 plus individuals who are now part of my technical trader group. More than 250 non-trade members are part of live channel who learns every day and trade by knowing them and not blindly. So there is no client and service provider concept out here. Subscription of rupees 499 only for the entire month. This minuscule amount is charged, so only serious aspirant traders join the channel, get to experience and gauge the technical know-how of trading for a month. Then they may wish to enroll for the advanced training where I train and provide my trading plan as well. The intent of this channel is to help learn and not to provide any tips. Gamblers, please avoid my channel as I don't promote or support money making or money doubling methodologies. This is market. Money needs to be made slowly, steadily, and eventually, but not overnight. Gamblers, you won't like my methodologies, so please excuse. Others, please do join only if interested in knowing and learning things while definitely earning from the trade suggested in the channel. Thank you and all the best.